Questa è la musica di Rock Maninov. Ascoltala.
Yeah, yeah. Jay the sneaker guy, Jay the sneaker guy. Got the people's eye, yeah, I keep that fire. Better watch me now, the heat I'm copping now. If that lace ain't popping out, then I'ma swap it out. Jay the sneaker guy, Jay the sneaker guy. Jay the sneaker guy, Jay the sneaker guy. Jay the sneaker guy, Jay the sneaker guy. Jay the sneaker guy, Jay the sneaker guy.
You too fam what is going on with y'all today, man? Hey, welcome back. Thank y'all for pulling up and welcome to all the newcomers, man. It is your boy Jay the Sneaker Guy coming at y'all today with a highly anticipated sneaker, man. Hey, let me first start off by saying, hey, happy Christmas Eve to y'all, man. And hey, truly appreciate y'all for pulling back up. If this is your first time stopping through checking out any of the family's content, or you are a returning visitor, man, hey, go ahead and join the family we have, y'all, by hitting that subscribe button, man. We be doing a lot over here, man, and we are on the come up, man. I truly appreciate everybody who has recently jumped aboard, and big shout out as always to the OGs of the fam, man. Hey, truly appreciate each and every one of y'all, man. We couldn't have done anything that we have been doing without the help of y'all, man. So hey, I truly appreciate y'all for that, man. But yes, man, we got some highly anticipated shoes, man. This is not a secret. Y'all seen the title, y'all seen the intro, man. Hey, RIP to Kobe, man, and big shout out to Nike for this one. I'm gonna give an early big shout out just for them retroing or protroing this shoe, you know what I'm saying? But hopefully, you know, the numbers on this shoe isn't too scarce, you know what I'm saying, to the point where people are out there doing crazy things to try to get pairs, like paying crazy amount of resale and all that stuff, man. Hopefully they give a good bit of amount out there, so man, so that Kobe's fans, the ones that really want to get their hands on this shoe, can get their hands on it without having to pay a ridiculous price, man. But anyways, man, that shoe is the Kobe 6 green apple, what they're calling it, but it is known as the Grinch colorway. This shoe has first released in 2010, man. It was a Christmas shoe for Kobe Bryant, and it is a very dope pair of shoes, man. Highly anticipated, arguably one of Kobe's best shoes, man. So hey, big shout out to Nike for retroing this shoe, man. But yeah, man, we about to go ahead and get into that. Your boy has to give a big shout out to Right Kick, Left Kick, I believe that is the name, man, on IG. They blessed your boy with this pair, man. I'm about to unbox it with y'all. We about to check it out and see how it looks. I'm gonna give y'all my first raw, you know what I'm saying, reaction on them, man. So yo, man, big shout out to them. Give them a follow, check them out, because like I said, man, they blessed me with a price on these that I couldn't got nowhere else, man. So they did hit this on the early shock drop, man. So big shout out to them once again, man. And let's go ahead and check out what they sent your boy, man. Appreciate that, bro. Hey, you almost took my head off, but I surely appreciate the package, man. Bang! Boxes are good, y'all, man. Hey, hopefully y'all know right now. Well, y'all already know if y'all got y'all W's or not, man. So, hey, big shout out to y'all if y'all got a W. Let me know down below in the comment box if you took that dub on these. Hopefully, there's a lot of people down in the comment box saying that, hey, yes, we did take that dub. And yeah, man, let me know, did y'all have the first version of these, man? I know the first version of these are going for a crazy amount of money, even still right now that they retroed the new, or protro, the new version. They are still going for a ticket, man. I didn't even cut this box, but they still going for a high ticket, man. So that's kind of crazy. And I know that the protro version is like more of a performance, like, you know, they redesigned it as far as like with the comfort and make it more of a, you know, a shoe, a performance shoe, you know what I'm saying? So yes, sir, man, we got it right here. Hey, big shout out to them for the dope packaging. As you can see, they got it wrapped up really nice in here, man. So sliding that out, a little bit of bubble wrap, you know what I'm saying? Hey, appreciate y'all for the packaging to get me a crisp box, man. So bang, you see it right here, man. We do got that all black Kobe box, man. This is not gonna be a review, it's just gonna be a quick overview, because I will have a review on feet to these, man. But like I said, most of y'all already got y'all pairs in hand. Some of y'all are waiting on them. Y'all got that dub, so big shout out to y'all. But the size tag on this one reads Kobe 6 Protro. That retail for $180. Hopefully y'all got it for that price. But the color blocking is green, apple, black, volt, crimson. Let me let y'all check out that size tag real quick, man. Take a look at that size tag if we can focus. Focus right there. That's a quick look at the size tag. Pause it, check it out if you need to. Your boy did get a size 9 on these. I went true to size, and what I regret going true to size, man, I know Kobe's do fit kind of snug, man, so I'ma just have to wait and see to know if it'll work for me. I do like my shoes snug, but I don't like them uncomfortably snug, man. So opening up the lid, man, just an all black lid, not really like a Jordan or a Nike box where you get your lot numbers and stuff and stickers. Nothing on the top of the lid. Do we got any stickers in here? Not that I can see right now, but I do see a bright green color through this white sneaker paper, as y'all can see, man. So let's go ahead and check them out. Like I said, this is my first time seeing them, so let's check them out. Bang! Yes, man, we got that eye-popping green, bruh. Them Kobe green apples, aka Grinches, man. Bang! So here we are, man, taking a look at them, bruh. You get that bright green, which is going to snatch eyes, bro. It's going to get your attention. You're gonna be looking at whoever got these on feet, you know what I'm saying, because it's just that vibrant of a shoe, man. As you can see, they blessed your boy Mr. Swap It Out with some extra laces, man. Extra laces are good. It did come with extra laces back in 2010 when they originally released, and a lot of people do favor the red laces in them, so you know we gonna put the red laces in them when we do get to that on feet video and such, you know what I'm saying. But quick look at them, man. Nice, very nice shoe. You got those reptile, supposed to be a snake, you know what I'm saying, a snake skin on it, you know what I'm saying, that goes throughout the whole front to the mid, and then it goes into this back plastic part. Got your Kobe Bryant signature in red, and these are clean, bro. These are clean, and they are a very necessary pair of shoes for the collection, bro, man. Like I said, RIP to Kobe. I hate what happened to him at the beginning of this crazy year that we had, man, but yeah, man, I'm glad Nike retro these, and hopefully, like I said, there's tons of pairs so that the real fans can get them. Like, I'm not gonna sit here and act like I was a Kobe. This is actually my first pair of Kobe's in the collection, bro. So call me a hype beast for it, call me whatever you want to call me, but this is a collector's piece in my opinion, bro. So I'm glad to add these to the collection, man. Black Nike swoosh right there. It's not my first pair of Kobe's ever. You know, your boy had some Kobe's back in the day. I had the Christmas. Which Kobe's was it, man? I forgot. I'm gonna put up a picture of which Kobe's I had. But those I ended up selling them, you know what I'm saying? They were still in good condition, but I didn't wear them that much, but I wish I didn't sell them. But anyways, man, got these in the collection, man. Taking a look, it does come with those bright Volt color laces that is factory laced, and you got your green insole that says, I believe in the review I seen it was like, I want a shoe that molds to my foot, something like that. But I'm gonna get, like I said, I'm gonna get more detailed into it when we check out the official review on feet to them, man. But Zoom written across right there, which does, you know, this part does, you know, bend in, like it does have that cushion or styrofoam type of, you know what I'm saying, hit right down the back, man. So these are meant to be performance shoes, man. So pretty sure that they fit real good and mold around the feet, man. Nice green popping bottom with your black hit right down the middle. Is that carbon fiber? Yep. You got your carbon fiber right down the middle as well as on the side. Got that Mamba logo in that bright red, man. These are just clean, man. Clean and very necessary for the collection, man. So let me know how y'all did on these. Like I said, hopefully there was a lot of W's, man. Your boy didn't want to take any chances on these. The price that I got these for, I could not turn that down. So I went ahead and pulled the trigger, and I said, hey, if I get another pair, I'll just flip that pair, make back the little bit of difference that I paid over retail on these. And yo, man, hey, I can't complain, man. So big shout out to left kick, right kick. I think that's what it is. I might have it backwards, but I will put it down below in the description, man. But appreciate you for the good price on these, and y'all stay tuned for reviewing on feet, man. Y'all stay blessed. Y'all have a Merry Christmas, man. I thank y'all. This is my second Christmas with y'all, man. I hope that y'all are blessed and y'all are good. Y'all with y'all families, man. I truly appreciate y'all for rocking out with your boy, man. But yeah, man, hey, Kobe Grinches are in the boys collection, and y'all stay blessed until the next one, man. Your boy Jay, the sneaker guy, is checking out with the Kobe 6 Grinches, man. So till my next one, man, y'all stay blessed, man. I'm gone. Peace.
Gotta what it be, you two family. It's all LUV, that's from me to you to me. Yeah, kicking major flame, how I rocks with it. They cop by 2-3 fits and gotta cop the sauce with it. Hey, riding through the city, snap back or I fit it. If I'm rocking with it and it's heated, oh let's get it. Kiss so cold and icy, feel so hot and spicy. Feeling like a million in my brand